Log into your DepEd Microsoft 365 on a mobile device. Open a web browser. Type office.com to the address bar. Tap Sign In. Enter your DepEd Microsoft 365 account. Then click Next. Enter the temporary password that was provided to you. Then click Sign In. Enter first the temporary password that was provided to you. Then, enter your preferred strong password. Re-enter the new password to confirm. Then tap Sign In. Tap Next. Tap I want to set up a different method. You may choose either phone or email. In this example, I will choose phone by tapping on it. Tap this drop-down, then select Philippines. Enter your mobile number. Tap Next. Answer the call. Click the keypad icon and listen to the instructions. It instructed me to press the pound sign. Press Next. Press Done. Press Yes. Press this arrow. Congratulations, you have successfully signed into your Microsoft 365 account on your mobile device.